Good day, guys. As you all know me as your mentor, JK. So, guys, in this video, you can see that we are having Nasdaq here. So, I just want us to quickly check on Nasdaq, and we must know about Nasdaq, and we must all know about the characteristics of Nasdaq. So, first thing first, guys, you can see it is let me go on 1 hour time frame. You can see that this is a 1 hour time frame, and you can see I've already indicated my supporting and the resisting price level. So we can see that the market has an opportunity to fill up this part here, to fill up this portion going down, but it will not just go straight down. It will have some sort of a pullbacks. So to indicate pullbacks, guys, we will need the zones. So those points where market will hit and reverse. So first and first, guys, let me indicate those zones on this 1 hour time frame. Let me indicate those zones on this 1 hour time frame. Will be my zone first and first. Those points where market hit and reverse. This will be my zone. This will be my zone, guys. We must know about Nasdaq, and we must understand the Nasdaq, guys. Sorry. These are my zones. These are my zones. So I don't want to complicate my chart with too many zones. So, but you can see that these are zones. So these are zones also. So guys, as I zoom in, first and first, guys, and let me indicate what we call trend. Let me indicate trends. So remember, because the market also moves inside trends. There are trends and channels within channels. So this will be my trend, guys. And this will be my trend again. So we can see the market was moving on an upward channel. So as it is moving on an upward channel, we will be respecting the price here. We will be respecting the price to hit here. Okay. So let me go on 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame, guys, I'd also indicate the zone. I will also indicate the zone already. Here we are having a zone, and then as it is like this, guys, we can see we are already left with this portion to be filled. With this portion to be filled, the market will just slightly move to the downside. Respecting what? Respecting our channel. Because inside trends there are channels. There are channels within channels. So I'll be using this trend line to indicate my channel within the channel. So these are channel within my channel. So respectfully, we are expecting the market to go down on this channel. So I will not just put my target, okay? I will not just put my target. First and first, I will show you how the market has moved. I'll show you the characteristics of the market, and I'll show you how it has moved from upside to the downside. So starting here, guys, let me start here. You can see here, it was an impulse to the downside. As we are having an impulse to the downside, the market break this zone, going to the downside, and then it come back, retest this zone, turn into a, remember, zones also form part and parcel of a resistance and the supporting level of the price. So it went here to this resisting point, going down, break this zone here, which is support, going down, and then it respected it again. So we can see it was an impulse correction and impulse. So as I zoom in my chart, I'll be having some sort of a correction here, correcting price level. I'll be having a correcting price level to show that this price corrected to the downside, and we are slightly going to move to the downside. So something like this, something like this, something like this. I'd be expecting my target to be something like this. Remember, now we don't want to blow accounts, so we don't want to blow accounts. So we'd be using 1:3 risks to reward ratio. So 1:3 risk to reward ratio, it will be something like this. Because remember, Nasdaq is moving fast. Nasdaq is moving fast, and we must know about Nasdaq, and we must know about the so-called Nasdaq. So these are my risk reward to ratio. These are my risk reward to ratio. So I'd be expecting maybe a touch here. Can see we are having a touch since the market has break to the downside. It retested. It's a touch. Maybe I'd be expecting some sort of a double top soon as the market opens, and then the market will slightly go to the downside. So as you all know, guys, as your mentor, let me move on a 15-minute time frame to see what we anticipating. It is something like this. It is something like this. So we are expecting our price to go down. As I zoom in my chart, we are expecting our price to go down. Maybe create some sort of a double top here, or maybe just impulse to the downside, break those lows there, break these lows here. Let me indicate it if you're red. My bad. Let me do like this. Come on. So yeah, it will be something like this, guys. The market will just hit this portion here, respecting this trend from this channel, and go down. So as you all know me as your mentor, JK, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that you get notified whenever we drop a video. So this is a teachable content where we show and teach the characteristics of the market. Thank you.